Hola, en el episodio de hoy es hora de suspender. tea break. So we've got a channel sponsor. Big thanks to Matt from Cheshire Vapor Blasting. He's come on board. He's going to help with the restorations of the bikes, doing all the vapor blasting on the parts for us. I didn't realise how good vapor blasting is. That the bits that he's done for me, I gave him a box the other week. I went a week later, picked it up. It's come up like brand new, the parts. We've got some of the suspension parts he's done for us, the linkages and stuff like that for this episode. I've also gave him some engine components for the engine, because we'll be doing the engine build soon on this one. So I'm going to cut to in a minute and show you some of the stuff that he's done for us, so you can see how good it is. So big thanks to Matt. What I will say about this YouTube channel is wozz. It's a small channel. It's designed for the average guy or girl, the average person, at home in the shed or the garage with minimal basic tools. This is what we're doing. It's minimal basic tools. We're not going out. We're trying to make do to get these things restored and built and back on the road as best we can, for what we can, as cheap as possible, because it is a budget build. It's a budget 4-bike challenge. So that's what the channel's about. I'm funding it myself, so by all means, if anyone wants to get in touch, you can get hold of me on Instagram, fozz_in_wozz. Get in touch, any little help, because I'm funding it all myself, so it is quite difficult, and that's what's taking some of the episodes longer for me to do. Like for the next episode, we're doing the wheels and brakes. I've got to buy new tyres, stuff like that. It all costs money, and it's, you know, it is a bit tight. So any help's appreciated. I'm not begging, I'm just saying, if anyone wants the name going on the channel, they can do, or any services they want to do, you know, we'll meet up and we can come and sort it all out. It's much appreciated, all the help, and thank you very much for everyone that's subscribing. It really is making me put a lot more effort into this channel. So I'm going to stop waffling on. I'm going to drink my tea. Let's crack on with the rest of the bike, eh? Yeah? Yeah. Right guys, cheers for watching. Well, I hope you're happy with that one. Not turned out too bad actually. The paint on the race spring, I was going to get it powder coated, but you know, money's a bit tight and decided not to in the end, so I've painted it myself. It's come out all right, to be fair. It's still a little bit soft, the paint. I got a bit giddy, a bit excited about building it up on the bike, so I've caught a bit of the paint fitting it on the bike, but I'm not bothered that much. New linkages, new linkage bearings, there's no play in them now because obviously everything's brand new, and they've got new oil seals in them as well, just to keep it all the muck out. Really happy with that. You can see as well I've finished a few bits off on the swing arm, put some of the plastics back on that I was waiting for the rivet gun from last week, so I've done them bits as well, and we've put new bearings in the swing arm linkage as well. Obviously new fork seals, fork oil, they've all been overhauled. They were absolutely minging internally, so they weren't working properly anyway. New dust seals on as well, so quite happy with that. I did want to get these recoated, but again, it's really expensive to do, and for what the bike's going to be like when it's done, it still looks really clean and tidy, and that's what we want. So thanks very much for watching. Don't forget again to like and subscribe. I have got an Instagram account now, wozz, so if you want to get in touch, if you want to speak to me about anything, send me a message and I will get back to you. If there's anything you'd like to know about the build, or anything I've done that you know you've seen and you're wondering why I've done that or how I've done it, by all means get in touch, or leave a comment on the video that you're watching now. And until the next episode, which is going to be the wheels and brakes, be seeing you